application to use, and all you have to do, just select or choose whichever video you want to be face swapped. And once you have done that, as you can see here, this is pretty much option 1 here. And once you have done that, you choose whichever face you want to be, choose a face that you want to be added to that video. And yeah, it's just that simple, and the AI will do the rest for you. And one thing that I've noticed about this application, it does have a login problem. So developers, if you're watching this, and viewers may have problem signing in on this application here. But once you have generated your video, or you have selected or input all of this information and go ahead and create your video, you can pretty much download it, share it, and share it with your friends and families for them can see it, and it will pretty much be okay. So very easy application to use. And if I miss anything at all, just comment below and I will see if I can help you guys. And without that, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.